Well, I bought a new transmission for my truck. Well, remanufactured one. The old transmission was shifting hard, and at times would get stuck into 4th or 5th gear and wouldn't shift anymore. I have a 2016 F350 with a 6.2 gasser with a 6-speed transmission. This truck is my work truck. I beat it. It takes a beating. I tow my equipment with it. I haul dirt, stone, and mulch with it, and I plow snow with it. So for the transmission to go or start acting funny, it's understandable. Now, when I bought the truck, I bought the aftermarket insurance for it, and as we all know, they're all worthless. When I took the transmission in, I took it to a new place I hadn't been before because the other 2 places I'd used in the past both sucked. They both only had a 1-year warranty, and they used reman parts when they said they used brand new parts, and I found that out because after the warranty gave up, I actually ended up tearing down the transmissions and found out that they were all reman parts. Well, this new company, when they took the transmission out, this particular transmission they don't rebuild. They will replace it, but they don't rebuild it. And the insurance company wanted it rebuilt. And I wouldn't deal with other companies in Toledo here. So they wanted me to take it all the way to Ann Arbor, Michigan, an hour and a half away, and drop it off to an AMCO transmission place that was only going to give it a 1-year warranty anyway. So I chose to stick with the repair company that I had, and I paid for a reman transmission out of pocket, $5,000. Now this transmission's got a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty, work truck, and next year I'm going to be hauling a trailer all the way to Alaska, so it made the most sense. Well, they replaced the transmission, I got it back, and I started driving it, and I started noticing something funny about the shifting. It was shifting 7 times, and this is a 6-speed transmission, or shifting 6 times 7 gears. And so I really started paying attention, and you can even watch the tachometer shift. It drops every time it shifts, which I will show you. Now, after I noticed this, I started doing research, and Ford had actually came out with an 8-speed planetary gear for this transmission. It didn't last long, so I started wondering if maybe they put in the wrong planetary gear when they rebuilt this transmission. I took the truck back to the company who worked on it, and they just said it is the torque converter locking in. Well, it don't make sense by the way you can actually feel it shift. You can hear it shift, and you can watch the tachometer drop every time it does the shift. You guys be the judge. Leave me your comments. Right now we're in first gear. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. So, tell me what y'all think. Leave me a comment. Please like, share, subscribe. And have a good day.